The US has deported 5 people to the African country of Eswatini under President Donald Trump's administration's secretive third country deportation program, the US Department of Homeland Security said on Tuesday. The US Supreme Court recently lifted a ban on sending people to countries they have no ties with. After this, the Trump administration deported 8 people to another African country, South Sudan. However, the South Sudanese government has refused to tell where these people, who arrived about 2 weeks ago, have been kept. Assistant Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security, Tricia McLachlan, said in a post on X late Tuesday night that 5 citizens of Vietnam, Jamaica, Cuba, Yemen and Laos have been sent to Eswatini on a plane. However, she did not say when these people were sent and where they have been kept. McLachlan said that all these people were convicted criminals and so barbaric people that their native countries refused to take them back. He said the men had been terrorizing American communities but had now been expelled from American soil. McLachlan said the men had been convicted of crimes including murder and child rape, and one of them had been a notorious member of a major gang. As in South Sudan, authorities in Eswatini have not yet provided any information on whether they have reached an agreement with the US to accept third country deportees, nor have they said what will be done with them in the country. Civic groups in Eswatini have raised concerns about the secrecy being maintained by the government, which has long been accused of human rights abuses. There has been a lack of official communication from the government of Eswatini regarding any agreement or understanding with the US to accept these deportees. Ingafila Dlamini, spokesperson for the pro-democracy group Swalimo, said in a statement, "This ambiguity makes it difficult for civic bodies to understand the implications," Dlamini said. He said it was unclear whether they were being held in a detention center, what their legal status was, and what the government's plans were for the deportees. Eswatini is an African country of about 1.2 million people, bordered by South Africa and Mozambique. It is Africa's only monarchy, and one of the few in the world. King Mswati III has ruled it since 1986. Eswatini was formerly known as Swaziland. Dlamini said that because Eswatini is a poor country with a relatively low resource level, it may face significant difficulties in accommodating and managing persons with complex backgrounds, particularly those convicted of serious criminal offences.